Hello everyone, and welcome back. It's about 8:30 in the morning, first day of 2024. Just wanted to wish everybody a Happy New Year. Melissa cooked the black-eyed peas and cabbage last night. Now I'm just about to put a ham on here. It'll take about 3 hours for it to heat up. And that's our traditional New Year's meal. We still have no real snow, which is really surprising. Last year at this time we had over at least 2 feet on the ground. But I did see that the month of December we did have rain, and we're up 238% above normal for precipitation for the month of December. Now we're into January, we'll see what happens. This is the first time since we moved in, a little over 5 years ago, that the sump pump from the basement is running in December. It only runs in the spring when the snow melts off, but we got so much rain in December that it's been going off. It was weird to hear it go off because we're just not used to hearing that sound in the basement this time of year. Ooh, looking good. Well, that New Year's meal did not disappoint. Almost had to take a nap after that. We was inside and edited some on one of the little trail camera videos. And the only reason I put this video up is I just want you to know the holiday season is finally done. Christmas is done. New Year's today is New Year's Day. So just wanted to wish everybody a Happy New Year and thank you for watching the channel. This year I was going to do a big long video on it, but I just can't seem to get into it. And I've got, I wake up and there's lots of things that need to be done. And I have to be in the right mood to do a video because we went over 100,000 subscribers. And I still will probably do a video on it eventually. I just kind of wanted to do a video where I went back and showing when the channel started and how it's progressed and everything with Melissa and I. And now we went over 100,000. Now I'm up to, we have 100,000, over 101,000 subscribers. So I told Melissa today, I said, by the time I get that video done, we'll be at 200,000 subscribers. So I guess I wanted to say, thanks for watching the channel. Hope you had a great holiday season. I'm glad that the days are getting longer. I think they said tomorrow, which will be January 2nd, we are finally gaining 2 minutes of daylight per day. So it'll go up fast by now. It's hard in this time of year because there's such a little time of daylight, and so much of the stuff I like to do is outside. I've only actually opened this up one other time when we got it. I opened it up so Melissa and I could take a look at it. But there it is, the Northern Seclusion plaque for going over 100,000 subscribers. And I guess I just wanted to thank you guys. If it wasn't for you guys, you know, we wouldn't have this. And I still wonder why you guys like to watch me just go along doing daily things around here, but I really appreciate the fact that you do. Well, thanks a lot for watching, everybody. I've got another video that I'm going to start editing tonight that's pretty long. I wanted to get this short one up. I've got a trail camera one up that I wanted to edit now that I want to get up. I don't know if I'm going to throw both of them up tonight or not. We'll see. The other one's already uploaded waiting. But I've got another one with doing all that wood and everything. You know, there's like no shortage of videos coming up with everything going on. And I'm going to continue on the back part of the workshop for her studio. Got the guest house to work on yet. And, you know, last year, and I mentioned it before, just had too many projects going on. And it's like, where, you know, where do you want me to be is what in my mind, and I'm just asking myself. So, but that had to get taken care of though. Like, this is my space. I can come out here and tinker around or do stuff. And Melissa, you know, she has stuff she likes to do, but she doesn't have a space for it. And the house is too small to set something up to do that. So that kind of became a priority, and it still will be. I want to finish that ceiling in there, and then we can get working on painting the walls and stuff like that. And like I said, you're going to see more of that in the video that I have to edit yet. This one was just mainly, you know, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Let's get the New Year started here. Thank you for the 100,000 subscriber plaque. That's awesome, and let's get on with this year. Get your butts off the couch. It's the only way you can get something done. But please go back and sit on the couch to watch these videos. I am going to come back out here tonight. I started that stove up front just to add a little more heat. I'll turn this back up now since the video is done. I don't want to listen to this when I'm doing the video. I also want to thank the, I don't know, probably 30 to 50,000 people that have already said congratulations on the 100,000. Between this channel and the community Facebook page, I've heard it a lot and I appreciate it. I will see you guys on the next video.